Welcome. It's a good-looking box, hey? This is the LOOTBOX team. This is me. This is Al.
Hi.
And Victor.
Hello there.
Why LOOTBOX? The tipping point was Melbourne's COVID-19 lockdown. 7 months long so far and counting. Al called me up one day.
Hey, Simon. I can't keep the kids off their devices. No matter what consequences we create, they keep on sneaking screens. When we hide the devices away, they search the whole house, including our undie drawers. I've caught them playing when they should be doing homework, playing in the middle of the night. Not to mention the mess, our bedroom is one big glow-in-the-dark dinging device party. It's doing our heads in. What if we could lock it all up and charge them at the same time? I've looked online and there's nothing really suitable out there.
I thought it was a great idea. I had the same problems and was thinking the same thing. We actually started sketching and sharing ideas in that call. After further designs in the following weeks and getting feedback from other families, we knew LOOTBOX was a good idea, but it needed Victor's finesse, our friend and brilliant industrial designer.
This season of digital connection and lockdown has left us all craving less mess and more meaningful connection. LOOTBOX embodies a minimal aesthetic built over an architecture of clean user functionality. The result makes LOOTBOX blend seamlessly into your daily routine, whilst maintaining a quality of lightness that blends into and uplifts any interior space.
We think Victor nailed it. We are so proud to present LOOTBOX to you. Charge up to 12 devices, including room for two 15-inch laptops. It has Qualcomm Quick Charge USB ports and USB-C ports. Additional openings make it easy to run other cords if you need. We love the ventilation Victor designed, drawing cold air from underneath, allowing warm air out the top. Of course it's lockable, but just in case your keys go missing, there's a Wi-Fi sensor that alerts your phone when the lid opens.
We've been living with the LOOTBOX prototype for a while now, and it's been amazing. Even better than I thought. The kids are happier, we have less arguments, and Bernie, he's been getting way more walks.
Most importantly, LOOTBOX can help restore kids' health issues caused by screen time imbalance. LOOTBOX will help your kids find the right balance. Your backing will fund production and help deliver LOOTBOX to more of you. We'd love to hear what you think about LOOTBOX in the comments and on our socials pages. If you want to see LOOTBOX become a reality, please share with your kids' schools, your friends and your family. Thanks so much for listening. Take care out there.
All tech all the time.